More than half of us live in cities. By 2050, two-thirds of all humanity will be urban. Sustainable development cannot be achieved without significantly transforming the way we build and manage our urban spaces. The rapid growth of cities, a result of rising population and increasing migration, has led to a boom in mega cities, especially in the developing world, and slums are becoming a more significant feature of urban life. As a developing nation, how far has Bangladesh come in trying to build sustainable cities? How much hope is the planning and the implementation of urbanization? Hello, and welcome to this documentary about sustainable cities and urbanization of Bangladesh.
The SDG 11 goal defines sustainable cities that are dedicated to achieving green sustainability, social sustainability, and economic sustainability.
A sustainable city is one that has been able to introduce greenery into the urban environment to improve the quality of its air, promote renewable energies to conserve and protect natural resources. A sustainable city contains components that are cool infrastructure, high quality of life, smart solutions overlaying basic amenities, clean and sustainable environment, smart governance, smart economy, smart mobility. Many cities around the world have adopted carbon neutral goals and other environmentally friendly campaigns to green the world.
Sustainable cities always focused on the inclusiveness of all levels of the people and development activities. But the slums and squares are one of the major hindrances to achieve sustainable and inclusive. About 3.5 million low-income people are living in 4,000 slums and squares in the capital, Dhaka city. In border cities, a majority of dwellings suffer from two or more shelter deprivations, threatening the health, safety and well-being of their inhabitants. As migrants continue to arrive, they often end up in illegal settlements on precarious lands with major environmental concerns. Today, about 54 million Bangladeshis lives in cities and the number will more than double in the next 35 years. Yet, one-fifth of urban dwellers lives in poverty. Traffic congestion yet set up several double and productive hours from human lives each day. Poor air quality increases human mortality and morbidity. So realizing the dream of sustainable city in Bangladesh seems to be a low way life.
Bangladesh is under huge threat. It must overcome these challenges if it is to sustain as a developing city in the long run. Following steps we should take for creating sustainable city of Bangladesh, like Dhaka city. Diagnosis of the city's current situation, identifying where the city wants to go, access to improve and better quality of basic necessities and infrastructure, strengthening of the governance structure, strengthening of the role of Dhaka City Corporation, housing market reform to accommodate new and existing demand, monitoring and evaluation the progress of action plan.
Urbanization is a very popular word among the mass people, but everyone is not familiar with the term sustainable urbanization. It is both the study of cities and the practices to build them in a sustainable way. It focuses on promoting their long-term viability by reducing consumption waste and harmful impacts on people and the place. It enhances the overall well-being of both people and the place. Sustainability is a key component to professional practice in urban planning and urban design. It can be constructed as focusing more on the natural environment and ecosystem and less on economic and social aspects.
Bangladesh urban population growing at average 6%. As per recent UN data, approximately 25% of Bangladesh current population lives in urban areas. Of the urban population, more than half lives in the four largest cities, Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna and Rajshahi. With a population of almost 12 million, Dhaka is the capital and the largest city in Bangladesh. Dhaka still is a low-income city with a large number of poor when compared with the most mega cities of the world, holding the prospect of better income opportunities than most parts of the Bangladesh. Rapid migration is causing Dhaka population to grow much faster than the rest of the country. The fast urbanization is putting pressure on the city's limited land and already fragile environment and weak urban service.
urbanization in Bangladesh is growing phenomenon, which is steady in nature but faithfully affects urban sustainability in the wake of lacking in good governance. That should be taken for creating sustainable urbanization in Bangladesh. And strategic planning, regional consideration in urban planning, urbanization policy and compact development to save agricultural, integrated land use development in urban areas, transport infrastructure in urban areas, less electricity and water using building and green-oriented regulation.
Cities are engines of growth, but rapid, unplanned urbanization prevents cities from realizing their full potential.
We should not allow the destruction of environment in the name of development. In the new satellite cities, we have a chance to do something different by thinking differently. Public awareness is key here as it drives development trends. Governments should move from equality to equity to remove systematic barriers. We can expedite the whole process if we believe and practice the 3C paradigm: concern, commitment, and competence.
Thanks for watching.